Well, I think that we can pass to the next one speaker, Professor Osama Shalabiea. Probably I pronounced very bad. He is a professor at the Cairo University. He is the chair of the Department of Astronomy in this university. And I am sure that he can offer us a very special speech about the tradition in Egypt related to the equinox. And well, this is your turn. Thank you, Osama.
You're welcome. Uh, Hello, everybody. Can you see my screen?
Yes, we can.
Okay. Then let us start that. I will enlarge the screen so you can see it in case of that. So first of all, I would like to thank you, Dr. Rosa and your team. The title is very attractive, The Bridge Between Cultures, which is one of the main goals of the NASE in the education all over the world. My name is Osama Shalabiea from Cairo University, and also acting as a dean in the navigation science and space technology at Bani Suef University. Let us start with the Sham el-Nessim as the title proposed by Rosa, which I do really appreciate her because uh, she made my job much easier. In fact, the Sham al-Nasim is in the translation in Arabic is a smelling of the breeze, which is coming in the spring. Sham al-Nasim was the first held celebrated that start of the spring nearly 4,000 years ago. Ancient Egyptian it. And Sham Nassim came originally from the Shamo, and then in the great events that we call uh, due to the astronomical phenomena related with equinox and shamanism. What is the relations and how the Egyptians celebrate this? Let me first just in this festival, the most important gift is is the flower, lotus flower here. If you see in the right hand of my screen, that the queen or the pharaohs gifted his wife the flowers in this era. The second, which is also important, that the egg colored and celebrated with flowers and birds, etc. So I will go back to the pyramids, which we have here that in the northern front before the sunset at this time of equinox, we can see that the main four direction, north, east, west, south, and we can see the shadow at this time in that event. Let us just imagine and give an idea for the length of the base, about 164.5 meter. This is the base, this is the height, and the base length 230 meter. Of course, the weight of these pyramids, if we can imagine, it's 5.9 million ton. One thing that we can realize from this photo, that the shadow in the left-hand side, which I have an arrow here, you may recognize it, divides the side to two sections. We couldn't, and we will never ever see this phenomena unless we are in the equinox, either the autumn or spring. So this phenomena only happened twice a year. How come and how, when it is discovered, this phenomena takes the attention of one of the British astronomers. And then he started to relate this to the stars, and then he come back to the sun and follow this shadow several times. Then he find out and confirm that there is no four sides, but eight sides of that great pyramid. Let us see, is this a complexity for complex or just accuracy of down to even centimeters and millimeters? Here is the evening snapshot taken during the autumnal equinox by the Royal Air Force at that time. There is a professor of mathematics in Cairo, and he recognized this phenomena and follow this event after years, exactly in 21st of March, 1934. And this phenomena, for 15 seconds, he were able to take in that shot and see the light here. If you can see, the shadow is lightening one side and darkening in the other side. This only due to the side bend of the pyramids. The sunlight reach an angle at the exact equinox. This phenomena occurs, as I said, only twice a year. This is a simulation of that phenomena, and you can see in the right-hand side of the pyramid that the shadow sides, one is darker and one is lighter. As I said, this is due to the bend when the sun reaches the angle of this phenomena doubly checked by the professors in March 21 by using infrared radiation, and they confirm that conclusion. And it's really clear if we look to the sides, here is divided and here is also divided. If we go to astronomical scales also in these pyramids, the building have its four corners, and if we made the cross passing to the top, we can see that the zodiacal radius. And we have here the lion and queen line, and here is the scarves and circle in red refers to the zodiacal light. I don't want to go in much details, but I just wanted to give an example of how the Sphinx and pyramids was related geometrically. If we take this base of the pyramids, the Great Pyramid, and make a shift in the red rectangular, as you can see here, and take the side, the right side, and extend it onto the line, it will face the Sphinx point here. Also, if we take this to the other sides here, it also face that point.